Hello guys, I am on your demand. I am here with class 8 topic, that is chapter number 9, algebraic expression. So your doubts were on exercise 9.4 and 9.5. So we will start with the exercise 9.4 and then carry forward with some identities and then 9.5. So exercise 9.4, first question is multiply the binomial. So first question is that 2x plus 5 bracket and 4x minus 3. Simply we have to multiply, but it is a monomial. So firstly we have to do this. First write the question as it is. 2x plus 5 and is a multiplication symbol here. If you want, you can put it. If you don't want, it is understood that between any two brackets there is no sign, that is a multiple sign only. So after that, this 2x has to be multiplied by 4x and same 2x will be multiplied by 3x. And same we have to do with 5 also. So don't wasting the time. I am coming on the topic that 2x is multiplied by 4x minus 3 plus 5 bracket 4x minus 3. Now simple multiplication we have to do. First we have to multiply 2x by 4x and then afterwards 3x, and same with this. 5 will be multiplied by 4x and then afterwards 3x. So 2x into 4x will be 8x square. X into x will be x square. Then minus 2x will be multiplied by 3. It will be 2 into 3, 6x. Then plus 5 into 4x. It will be plus 20x. After that 5x will be multiplied by minus 3. Then it will be minus 15. As we have came here, simply we have to add on or subtract the x term or x square term and the constant. So here only the x term is there more than 1, so we have to add or subtract them. Then minus plus will be minus 14x and remaining minus 15x. This is your answer. This is a very simple question, and rest of the question you can do by yourself because it is too easy. We will come to second question, that is find the product. Find the product is same only, we have to just multiply the simple terms. So question is 5 minus 2x bracket 3 plus x. Simply what we have done in the last question, that in that way only we have to do this question also. It will be 5x solution 5 minus 2x into 3 plus x. So it will be 5 multiplied by 3 plus x. Then minus 2x multiplied by 3 plus x. The solution will carry forward like this: 15 plus 5x minus 6x minus 2x square. Now we have to reshuffle this and it will become minus 2x square minus plus 5 minus 6. It will be minus 6 plus 15 will be the answer. Apart from this, the rest question are similar like this only, you can do very easily. Now we will move on to question number 3, which is simplify. We have to simplify the question. Simplify means we have to break down the question in such a way that the solution of the question will become small. Problem is your x square minus 5 bracket into x plus 5 plus 25. just simply we have to multiply this and add on the value of 25. So what we have done in previous question, similar we will do. Just we will multiply x square by x plus 5 and minus 5 will x plus 5, and rest remaining question I will write as it is plus 25. X square plus x, it will be x square into x, then plus 5x square minus plus minus 5x minus plus minus 25 and 25. This minus 25 and this plus 25 will be cancelled, and remaining we have to do x square into x, it will be x की power 3 or you can call it x cube plus 5x square minus 5x. This is the answer of this question. We will do one more question on this topic. The question is simple. It is a plus b plus c multiply by a plus b minus c. Now we have to do that thing. We have to multiply this a by this whole term, this b by whole term, and this c by whole term. So we will carry forward the question. A into a plus b minus c bracket plus b multiply by a plus b minus c plus c multiply by a plus b minus. Now rest is easy. A into a will be a square plus a into b ab minus ac, then plus ab. You can write ab or you want you can write ba also. Both the terms are similar, so I will go with ab. Then plus plus will be plus b square, plus minus will be minus bc, plus a into c into a will be ac or you can write ca. Both the terms are same, so we will go with ac. ac plus bc and minus c square. Now whichever term will be cancelled out, just c and cancel. Firstly I will write together a square plus b square minus c square in one term, and rest plus ab, it will be plus 2ab, then minus ac plus ac, it will be cancelled out, and rest bc plus minus bc plus bc, this will be also cancelled out. This is the answer. After this your exercise will be end for 9.4. After this we have to discuss some identities for next exercise, which is 9.5. There are basically 4 identities. On the basis of these 4 identities only you have to solve the exercise 4. So number 1 identity is x plus a into x plus b. It will be open like this: x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. I will gonna tell you that how from this it has made. So what we have done right earlier only, just we have to open the bracket and into it. So x into x plus b, a plus a, x plus b. It will be x square plus bx plus ax plus ab. x square. From these both terms we will take x out, means we will take the x common from this term, so it will become a plus b bracket x. You can put x here also and here also, both the things are correct. So I will go with this term and plus ab. It is a direct solution we can here. After this we have a identity a plus b ka whole square and a minus b ka whole square. As you all have heard earlier also, I will gonna tell you how to solve that identity, and then you will easily use the identity in the question. A plus b ka whole square. This identity open with like this: a square plus 2ab plus b square. The solution of this is a plus b bracket a plus b, a into a plus b plus b into a plus b. It will be a square plus ab plus ab plus b square. This both the terms will be add on. It will be a square plus 2ab plus b square. We came here from here. And this is, and similar with this, the another identity which is a minus b ka whole square. Just from here the sign will change, the minus sign will come. I will show that also. A square minus 2ab plus b square. The solution of this is a into, it will be open like a minus b into a minus b, then a multiplied by a minus b multiplied by a minus b, then it will be a square minus ab plus b square. Minus will be plus b square. Then both the terms minus a will be add on, because minus will become plus and the sign will come negative only. B square. This is your three identities. And now we will study a square minus b square identity. One thing more I have to clear, that if the question is given in this form, so you can directly convert from this, and from this to this you can directly convert and solve the question. In rest all the identities I have told previously. Now I will gonna tell a square minus b square identity, which open like a plus b and a minus b. If the question is given in this form, you can simply use this identity and open in this way, or if it is given in this way, you can directly convert the question in this way. Both the terms are easy. So the solution of this, I will take RHS side, which is right hand side. From this we will come to this: a plus b, a minus b, then a into a minus b plus b, a minus b, a square minus ab plus ab minus b square, plus minus minus. These both terms will be cancelled out and it will be a square minus b square. This will be your answer. these